next song is actually the very first Japanese song that I wrote. I've been teaching myself how to read and write Japanese for the past 20 years or so. I figure I go there 5-6 times a year for the past 40 years actually. And I thought, might as well do something productive. But this story is about one of my tours in Japan. I went to different places. The city of Nagaoka invited me to perform. FYI, by the way, the city of Nagaoka is the sister city of Honolulu. Just in case you guys didn't know. And then I went to Hiroshima and many different places. In Okinawa. And I like to go to visit a lot of these memorials, if you will. In Okinawa, there's a memorial about World War II. And it's really interesting because on the outside, there's like thousands and thousands of granite stones, and there's names of every single person that passed away during the war. Not only Japanese, but also Americans. You see thousands of American names on the right side as you walk through. And it kind of got to me that day. But one night, I had a dream, unusual dream. A couple, man and a woman, was separated because of war. But in the end, they made a promise to themselves that they would meet in heaven. This song is called Inori. Inori. Thank you. I was actually, after I released that song, this was a few years ago, but I was driving in Japan. Yes, I did do drive in Japan. I make a lot of mistakes. But I turned on the radio and all of a sudden my song was played on the radio and I found out that it hit the top 10. Thank you.